This is question 36. On the admission of Rao, it was agreed that goodwill of Murthy and Saha should be valuated at 30,000. It is Rao is to get 1/4 share of the profits. Previously, Murthy and Saha shared profits in the ratio of 3:2. Rao cannot bring in any cash, give journal entries in the books of Murthy and Saha when A part there is no goodwill account and B part goodwill appears at 10,000 rupees. Working notes: old ratio of Murthy is to Saha 3:2. Rao is admitted for 1/4 share. Let the total profit of the firm be 1. Remaining share of Murthy and Saha after Rao's admission is equal to 1 minus 1/4 is equal to LCM 4 minus 1 3/4. Murthy's new share 3/4 multiplied by 3/5 for Murthy and 2/5 for Saha. 3/5 that is 9/20 and Saha's new share 3/4 multiplied by 2/5 that is 6/20. Next one is Rao's new share, that is 1/4 multiplied by 5/20 that is equal to 5/5 to equalize the denominator rupees 20, that is 5/20. Therefore, the new ratio of Murthy is to Saha is to Rao is equal to 9:6:5. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Murthy's sacrifice 3/5 old share minus new share 9/20. LCM 20 in the numerator, this is 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3/20. Likewise, Saha's sacrifice 2/5 old share minus new share 6/20 is equal to LCM 20. 4 to the 8 minus 6 2/20. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio of Murthy is to Saha is equal to 3:2. Rao's share of goodwill rupees 30,000 multiplied by 1/4, that is rupees 7,500. Fair notes, journal entries, we have to draw the proper journal format with date, particulars, ledger folio, debit credit columns with rupee symbol. First entry: Rao could not pay for his share of goodwill in cash and no goodwill appears in the books. Hence, Rao's capital account debited rupees 7,500. This is case A. To Murthy's capital account rupees 4,500 in the credit column. To Saha's capital account rupees 3,000 in the credit column. Being premium money not received in cash, transferred to old partners' capital accounts in sacrificing ratio. Then B part: goodwill is appearing in the books at 10,000. Same entry as A above will be passed. Rao could not pay for his share of goodwill in cash. Rao's capital account debited. Murthy's capital account to Saha's capital account rupees 7,500 in the debit and credit rupees 4,500 and 3,000. Being premium money not received in cash, transferred to old partners' capital accounts in sacrificing ratio, as Rao could not pay for his share of premium for goodwill in cash. And goodwill appears in the books at 10,000 in case 2, in case B. Hence, goodwill is to be written up to old partners in the old ratio. That is, Murthy's capital account debited rupees 6,000. Saha's capital account debited 4,000 to goodwill account rupees 10,000 as already appearing in the books, being goodwill written off in old profit sharing ratio among old partners. And this is the final answer.